You need this smarter approach to selling on Etsy, directly connecting with Etsy and swiftly generating valuable insights that save you days or even weeks of manual work. With one click, sort top-selling listings by the past 7-day sales, total sales, and price across multiple shops. And what if you're interested in a single shop? The same one-click magic applies. Instantly access valuable insights from any individual shop. Etsy Hunt uses advanced algorithms to help you find unsaturated products, high-demand items, and profitable options. It houses several key pieces of information, all accessible at a glance. For any listing on Etsy, instantly access views, favorites, pricing, shipping details, listing date, categories, keywords, tags, and more. Want to track historical trends? Simply navigate to the Etsy Hunt official website. Uncover keyword search volume trends, sales trends, price trends, and more. Don't forget the handy download and favorites features. They make it a breeze to organize your product ideas, track best-selling concepts, and plan future products. Etsy Hunt is your shortcut to conducting Etsy product research, launching new products, and increasing your Etsy sales. No credit card, no risk. Sign up for free today. Happy selling!